Bu Rianti, selamat siang. Ini saya sudah perbaiki lampu LED yang mati yang di sebelah kanan depan ini. Dan juga modul kameranya sudah saya ganti. I have changed the camera module. But you have to know, you have to tell your drone pilot or your boss that there will be a permanent, we call it permanent notifications on the screen, because the serial number of the camera, this is the serial number of the camera, the old camera is different with the new one, so there will be error notification by the motherboard. But the gimbal is moving perfectly up, full down. This is full down. And it's blinking green. It means it's already connected to the GPS and remote controller. Okay, about the new camera module. So there will be no more fogging, no more fogged or blurred vision. This is the error notifications, but the camera quality for video and photo stays the same. Camera not calibrated, gimbal IMU data error. So incompatible gimbal data also. Incompatible gimbal data, camera not calibrated, gimbal IMU data error. Okay, those three error notification is just a notification, but it doesn't affect the image quality for videos and photo. This is camera full down. This is straightforward. Beep, beep, autofocus is working. Let's see here. Okay, autofocus is working. I will try to fly the drone outside. Okay, let's see if it's working normally. There is no way to delete or to erase this gimbal IMU data error message and camera not calibrated messages.
Home point updated.
Okay, home point updated. I will try to fly.
Take off. Home point updated.
Oh, in front of my house there are so many kites. That is kite. There is also kites. I don't want to take risk. SD card speed low, it means you have to buy a faster speed of SD card to be able to record 4K. The wind is too strong. But there is no jello, no vibration, and the drone is struggling to stand steady, because as you can see here, this is a tree of stinky beans, pohon pete, in my house. See, it's struggling. I'll try higher. Autofocus. This is a temple of my neighbor. Okay, I'll try on. This is the kites. See, in the middle of the screen. Oh, you see this?
Low battery. Return
Okay.
to home promptly. Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution. Landing.
Low battery. Yeah, camera is good. But the notification cannot be removed or deleted. But I have tried to fly in the middle of the day. That should be convince us that there is no blurred or foggy image, unless if you get crashed again, maybe the camera module will be damaged again and becomes foggy. Okay, now I'm gonna do triple calibration as usual. Incompatible gimbal Imudata. The different camera module, or the new camera module leaves that notification permanently. Should be always on break, and
Home point
this
updated.
drone and battery can fly maximum 3,000 meter or 3 kilometers away from the remote controller. And next I will do IMU calibration. No more signal problems. Please tell your drone pilot to do this every time you move more than 100 kilometers away from the previous flight zone. Yeah, let's say today you fly in South Bali and tomorrow you fly in Lombok, so you have to do this triple calibration. First compass calibration, second IMU calibration, and third we're gonna do gimbal calibration. After this, you open all the arms again. The aircraft, the drone will be restarting itself. Okay, we wait until it's fully restarted. And the gimbal calibration. And after this, I will do another test flight facing to the sun. If there is any fog, so I will do fixing again. But there
Home point updated.
should not be any fog anymore because it's totally daylight. Let's do another test flight to know if there is any fog or not in the camera. And I am flying with another battery in front of my house.
Take off. Home point updated.
Oh, so many kites. You have to point the remote controller antenna following the drone position, so the signal will be always strong. It's already 45 meters above the ground and signal is always on dual band and auto. In the middle of the screen you can see the GWK. I'm going to face to the east to Sanur. This is South Ocean. I'm gonna try 100 meters is enough to see if the gimbal is straight level, horizontally level or not. Okay, the gimbal is horizontally level, as you can see on the grid lines. The horizon line of the ocean matches the grid lines of the camera. You can also add this to point anything in the middle of the screen like this. Yeah, so your gimbal is working good, camera not fogging, no jello. Let's try to do this. Okay, it is leveled with the horizon line of the earth. Let's see if there is any jelly or not. Okay, we're going down and make an orbital landing. I'm shooting the temple of my neighbor. Okay. I think there's enough. All LED lights are blinking. When we press record, the LED light should be off. That is from the manufacturer. Okay. Let's go down and see the building outlines, garis-garis bangunan. If there is any jello or vibration or jelly image. Okay, it's beeping again because it's reading an obstacle, yeah. Okay, no vibration, yeah. If it's overexposure or too much light, you can reduce this like this. Also, you can set it to 4K. Beep, beep. If it has less sunlight, you can get more lights into the camera by choosing this EV exposure value. Because it's overexposure, now I'm choosing minus 0.7. Oh yeah, on the video mode you cannot zoom. On the 4K you cannot zoom. On the 2.7K, yes, you can zoom. Yeah, and it's working. The triple zoom, no vibration, no jelly image. Beep, beep. Okay, the drone is dragging left and right because it's struggling from the wind. The wind is too strong. Okay, garis-garis bangunan, the building outlines shows us no jelly or jello or vibration. Okay, I think it's good. No more error from the electronic speed controller. Only camera not calibrated, gimbal IMU data error, and this incompatible gimbal data. Because the camera the new camera serial number doesn't match the one that is originally implanted from the manufacturer. So thank you very much, Ibu Rianti. Have a good day. And there is one additional cost. It is 400,000 to replace the. Actually, it's 450,000 to replace the IC signal of the remote controller. Normal mode. This is my photo. Okay, thank you very much, and I will be landing soon.
Landing.
Okay, Bu, it's already too hot. The battery is hot, the drone is hot, and the outside temperature also hot. So I need to turn this off. I'll try to power up with another battery. To confirm if there is any malfunction or not. Okay. Beep beep. No more electronic speed controller notification. I will try another battery again. This is the standard battery. This is the third battery. It's only 13%. Okay, the gimbal is working, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Bu Rianti. Bye bye. See you again.